Hi, I'd like to show you how Linkhouse can help you boost your publishing profits. Linkhouse is a platform that connects publishers with clients. With us, you can earn money by selling link insertions, advertising links and articles. Here is a real example of one of our publishers. This chart was generated based on actual data from one of our partners in 2024, who started his cooperation with Linkhouse with one domain and now manages multiple websites. You too can track your earnings and orders in one convenient dashboard, tailored to give you insights into your website's performance with everything available at your fingertips. Add your offer in less than 5 minutes. If you have multiple websites, we can conveniently import them in bulk. Our panel is easy to use. You'll find all the key information for order completion in it. You can add multiple offers with different pricing options, publication periods and the number of links. Whether it's articles, advertising links or link insertions in existing content, you have the flexibility to create diverse opportunities for advertisers. In one place you can check all the most important statistics of your earnings and orders on your website, making it easy to track your performance. You'll receive notifications about orders via email and in notifications on the platform. In case of any issues, we offer assistance via live chat, email or phone. Thanks to our integration with Google Search Console, requests for indexation of publications on your website can be sent automatically, increasing your website's indexation statistics and improving advertiser satisfaction. You will gain access to a wide market and can earn money by selling articles, link insertions and more. We have already published over 357,000 articles. You can always refuse publication if the order does not meet your requirements. What's more, we frequently introduce innovations that make your offer more attractive to clients. Register at linkhouse.net and add your offer to our marketplace now.